Ready, action.
Hey doctor, if you're considering working or studying medical post graduation in Australia, then this is the right place. Today we are going to talk about the Australian Standard Pathway. What is it and why it is a game changer for an IMG like you and the key steps involved. So, let's dive into the video. Alright. So, the Australian Standard Pathway is the most common route for international medical graduates or IMGs to work as a doctor in Australia. Think of it as a roadmap to practicing in one of the world's best healthcare systems. But first, why Australia? So, world class healthcare system. You'll be working in a modern, evidence based environment and, of course, career growth. Australia offers plenty of opportunities to specialize, grow, and even transition into leadership roles. Of course, amazing lifestyle. Beaches, great weather, and a strong community for doctors. You will love it there. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let's break down how to make it happen. The Australian Standard Pathway is a step-by-step process. Here's a quick overview. Get your degree verified. The Australian Medical Council, that is the AMC, checks your MBBS is legit. So the AMC uses the EPIC platform to verify the authenticity of your medical qualifications as a part of their primary source verification. This ensures that IMGs have legitimate credentials before proceeding with the pathway. Next, we have AMC exams. You'll have to pass two exams. The first one is the AMC CAT exam, which is an MCQ based exam which tests your medical knowledge. Next is the AMC clinical exam, which assesses your clinical skills in practical scenarios. Next test will be your English proficiency. You'll need to ace a test like IELTS, OET or PTE to show that you can communicate effectively with your patients and colleagues. Keep in mind, first comes the AMC CAT exam, then your English test, later is your clinical exam or the workplace based assessment. So let me tell you what this is. So after clearing your AMC MCQ exam, you can either choose to do your AMC clinical exam or workplace based assessment, in which case you will be working in a system to get hands-on experience. So next comes the registrations with AHPRA. This is your final step. Once you're registered with the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, you're officially ready to practice. Now I know this might sound like a lot, but don't worry, it's a structured process and with the right guidance, you can absolutely do it. The key here is to plan ahead and stay consistent. So here's the takeaway. The Australian Standard Pathway not only helps you achieve your career goals, but also open doors to great work-life balance, higher earning potential, and the chance to be a part of the incredible healthcare community. So in the next video, we'll dive deep into the eligibility criteria, who can apply, and what you need to get started. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make your Australian dream a reality. If you want to get started with your Australian Standard Pathway, then please fill the link in description so we can get in touch with you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.